2023 garden. Got some bush green beans flowering. Got some zucchini plants flowering under the tent. Some sweet corn. Some hot peppers, cayenne, serrano, jalapenos. Mostly red sweet onions. Some are bolting. Some more bush green beans. A lot of nice beautiful flowers ready to set. Got a variety of tomatoes coming in, producing more zucchini, one untented, 2 large eggplant, a couple more tomatoes, some basil, and then a whole bed of red potatoes. Got some cucumbers just pulled up, not ready to transplant. Got another zucchini I'm going to put in the pot, a couple more jalapenos, another jalapeno. Got some tomatoes I cut already. Put them in some water. They're already rooting. I'm going to put them deep in the dirt, some wet dirt. And another one too, it's rooting really well. This tomato, already growing little tomatoes on it. And put it way down in the ground. Get it nice and wet.